Let's take one example on full wave rectifier. In full wave rectifier, the input from 300 300 volt transformer, the load and diode forward resistance are 100 ohm and 10 ohm respectively. Calculate average voltage and rectification efficiency. In this problem, we are supposed to calculate the average voltage, which is nothing but VDC, and rectification efficiency, that is efficiency of full wave rectifier neta, we are supposed to calculate. The given things are load resistance is given, that is given data, RL is given, load resistance that is 100 ohm, and diode forward resistance is nothing but RF is given, that is 10 ohm. So to calculate the average voltage, first we are supposed to calculate the average current, because we know that VDC is nothing but average voltage, which is equal to IDC into RL. So here RL value is given, we are supposed to calculate IDC first. IDC is nothing but average current or DC current. In full wave rectifier, the transformer secondary of full wave rectifier is like this. Here the diodes are connected, and we know that there is a center tap. This will be V2 and this will be V2. So here V2 is RMS voltage across each half of the transformer. V2 is RMS voltage across each half of transformer. It means that here it is given is 300, 0 and 300. Usually the given 300, 0, 300 is nothing but the RMS value. With the help of RMS value, we are supposed to calculate the Vm. We know that the relationship between Vm and Vrms, that is Vm is equal to root 2 Vrms. So here Vrms is nothing but V2, that is root 2 into V2. So V2 is nothing but 300, that is here V2 is equal to 300, which is nothing but Vrms. So we'll calculate Vm first, that is Vm is equal to root 2 into 300, which gives 424.26 volts. We know that peak diode current Im is given as Vm divided by Rf plus RL. So here Vm just now we calculated, that is 424.26 divided by Rf value is given, that is 10, and RL value is given, that is 100. So simplifying, 3.856 amps. The IDC is given by, for full wave rectifier, IDC is 2 Im by pi. We'll substitute the values, that is 2 into Im is 3.856 divided by pi. Therefore IDC 2.455 amps. So now substituting IDC value in equation 1, we'll call it as equation number 2. Substituting IDC value from 2 in equation 1, we can calculate VDC. Therefore VDC is equal to IDC into RL. IDC is 2.455 into RL given is 100 ohm. Therefore VDC is 245.53 volts. We know that rectification efficiency neta is given by PDC by PAC. PDC first, that is PDC is nothing but DC output power, which is equal to IDC square into RL. So IDC is 2.455 square into RL is 100. Therefore P 602.7 watts. Let's find AC input power, that is PAC, which is equal to IRMS square multiplied with RF into RL. Therefore PAC is equal to IRMS is nothing but Im by root 2 whole square multiplied with RF plus RL. So Im is already calculated, that is 3.856 divided by root 2 whole square. RF is 10 and RL is 100. PAC is equal to 817.78 watts. Now substituting PDC value and PAC value in efficiency equation, that is gives as 0.7369. Usually the efficiency should be expressed in terms of percentage. Therefore percentage neta is equal to 0.7369 into 100. Therefore 73.69. So this is the required solution. We can also find efficiency in other method, as we know that efficiency of full wave rectifier is given by 0.812 divided by 1 plus RF by RL. Therefore here neta is equal to 0.812 divided by 1 plus the given RF value is 10, RL value is 100, which is equal to 73.82, which is almost equal to this value. Thank you.